All right, I want to introduce our box and our new frames. You'll notice first thing with these boxes, they are thicker, sturdier, should provide much more protection. No need to double box anymore. We've also got new, thick, industrial grade pliable styrofoam on all 6 sides. This is supposed to help these boxes in case anything ever happens with a 6-foot drop. It should keep anything from breaking. You got your bags up top that you can put your finished framed portraits in when you're done. You've got silicone just to keep things dry in there. You got 14 individually cellophane wrapped frames. Just pull them out, set them upside down on a clean surface. Make a little slit on the back with a utility knife. Take off the cellophane, discard it. Start prying up the flex points. You can use your thumbs or fingers or the nails. If that gets a little hard, use a flathead screwdriver and just start prying them back. The important thing here is when you get them up against the side of the frame, you want them to be all the way up. Press firmly against the edge. That will help with extracting this backing board and getting it back in easily and keep from scratching the canvas, the surface of the canvas when you put it back in. So get them all pressed up tight like that. Pop this board out. We have a new adhesive on the back now that is stronger, better, will last much longer with this canvas. Just peel up one corner. The key is don't peel it all the way up and off, just peel off an inch. So once you start that corner up here, just make sure you're on the tacky part of it. Don't dig too deep, you'll get into the board. Just make sure you can feel the tackiness. If you dig too deep, just go for a different corner. But just peel back 1 inch approximately and make a nice hard crease. This is going to allow you this surface area to work with without getting anything stuck down there. You're just going to focus on this part up here. You can tell it's just tackier, it's just better. So start with the canvas, lay it on top, kind of eyeball these 2 corners up here, and then make sure down here you're not too far off. If everything is lined up pretty good here, you don't have to be perfect. You got a little wiggle room within the frame. Then just tack this down with your fingers. Flip that back, pull this off. Again, you'll see this is tackier. And then just lay it down. Should fall pretty perfect every time. Just lightly press it into the table. Get your frame back over here. Kind of wiggle it in there a little bit. Pull. Go right in there. Press your flex points down. It's important to put all these back down again so they don't scratch anything, or just hold it firmly in place. And then once you're done, you've got your finished framed canvas portrait ready to put on the easel up by the casket or by the urn.